Welcome back, little scholars! Are you ready for more ABC fun? In our last video, we explored letters A to E. Today, we are learning the sounds and fun words for letters F, G, H, I, and J. Get ready to learn new words and have lots of fun. Let's get started. Let's start part 2 with the fantastic letter F. F is for fish, fan, and feet. Say F. Now you try it. F is for You did great. F is for fish, fan, and feet. Here comes the letter G. G is for goat, guitar, and gift. Say G. Your turn this time. G is for Incredible job. G is for goat, guitar, and gift. And now we have the letter H. H is for horse, house, and helicopter. Say H. Let's hear you practice. H is for Fantastic. H is for horse, house, and helicopter. Next up is the letter I. I is for iguana, ink, and igloo. Say I. Now give it a try. I is for You did well. I is for iguana, ink, and igloo. Now let's learn the letter J. J is for jellyfish, juice, and jacket. Say J. Go ahead and try it. J is for You got it. J is for jellyfish, juice, and jacket. Awesome job, everyone! You did great learning the letters F, G, H, I, and J. Keep practicing those letters and the words that start with them. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll explore even more letters. See you next time! Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.